Every once in a while, a classic American muscle car emerges that looks like it has been preserved in a time capsule, defying the decades. The 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS that's about to cross the block with Mecum Auctions in January 2026 is exactly that kind of car. Nearly 60 years after it first rolled off the factory floor, this Impala SS appears almost untouched by time, offering a glimpse into the golden era of American muscle. At first glance, this Impala SS is the perfect antidote to today's technology-heavy performance cars, where modern muscle cars often pack digital dashboards, driver assists, and a flood of electronics. This 1966 model represents purity, raw mechanical performance paired with timeless design. Its condition is nothing short of remarkable, making it one of the highlights of Mecum's upcoming Kissimmee event. The exterior is finished in a deep, glossy black that looks as if it just received a fresh detail. The paintwork is flawless, devoid of blemishes or visible wear, giving the impression that the car has been carefully cherished over the years. Chrome trim stretches across the front and rear bumpers, shining brilliantly like the day it left the factory. Even the original wheels, still fitted on the car, gleam with authenticity. Combined with the elongated bodywork and the iconic pillarless hardtop design, this Impala SS oozes style and sophistication from every angle. Step inside and the story continues. The interior is bathed in black, with seats, dash, and trim that look nearly factory new. The steering wheel and dashboard show minimal signs of wear, a rarity for a vehicle of this age. The transmission tunnel and upholstery appear almost untouched, suggesting either an incredible level of preservation or a high-quality restoration at some point in the car's life. Either way, it's clear this Impala SS has been loved and maintained to the highest standard. Under the hood lies a piece of American muscle history, a 327 cubic inch V8 rated at 275 horsepower when new. Back in the mid-1960s, this power plant gave the Impala SS the performance credentials to match its stylish looks. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission sending power to the rear wheels, it delivers an authentic muscle car driving experience, raw and unfiltered. For collectors and enthusiasts, this setup is a dream combination, blending performance with the thrill of manual gear changes. What makes this auction even more exciting is the unknown. Mecum has not provided a pre-auction estimate for this particular car, leaving its final hammer price to speculation. Classic Chevrolets, especially well-preserved or restored Impalas, have been commanding strong figures in recent years, and this one's near-perfect condition could push bidding to impressive levels. The 1966 Impala SS represents more than just a car. It's a cultural icon. The mid-1960s marked the height of America's muscle car boom, when style, size, and horsepower ruled the road. This Impala embodies that spirit perfectly, with its long, sweeping lines, chrome accents, and unmistakable presence. For modern enthusiasts who find today's cars overloaded with digital distractions, this machine is a reminder of a simpler, more visceral time in motoring. As it heads to Mecum's Kissimmee 2026 auction, all eyes will be on this black beauty. Whether it lands in the hands of a seasoned collector or a passionate enthusiast looking for a dream car, one thing is certain. This 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS is a rolling time capsule, as close as you can get to stepping back into a Chevy dealership showroom nearly 6 decades ago.